Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare LagoFest with ExitLag and see which one comes out on top. Now, here we are at the LagoFast.com site, and as you can see, we can download this for Windows. We can even try it for free. We'll just scroll down here and we'll take a closer look at some of the details here. So they essentially do the same thing. It is for the purpose of reducing lag, improving your ping, and it is something that is intended for gamers. If you really want to up your game and you want to get those that just extra speed that's going to give you that advantage, then you might want to consider either LagoFest or ExitLag. So here with LagoFast, improved gaming performance with advanced features, smart game booster with no snags, FPS booster for optimal gaming performance, ultimate Warzone VPN for easy lobbies. So if you are a Warzone fan, then you might want to take a look at that. Here, exceptional traditional gaming VPNs with our booster for lag-free gaming. So Game Booster is purposely built for gaming, prioritizing optimized game traffic routing to ensure seamless gameplay experiences. Unlike gaming VPNs that merely change locations, our booster enhances graphics, reduces latency, and boosts FPS, delivering a comprehensive gaming experience upgrade. Here are our numerous advantages over traditional VPNs. So here we have, it looks like a feature, main focus. So with LagoFest, you get enhanced game performance through their VPN. Benefits for gamers, unmatched gaming experience. So impact on latency. Let's see here. Okay, so it can increase latency due to extra routing. Risk of ban on games. So here with the VPN, I guess it is saying here that the VPN, it's possible that you can get banned, but if you're using a VPN, some games don't allow VPNs, and that is, in order to try to minimize cheating. And in this case, with LagoFest, there's no risk of bans as it doesn't mask your IP. So this is what they're trying to compare here is that sometimes with certain VPNs, it's going to make it so that the game is not going to allow you if you have the VPN active, and also it's possible that you can even get banned if you're using certain VPNs. So LagoFest is something that you can use, and you don't have to worry about risk of bans because it doesn't mask your IP address. So that's important to note there. So we can kind of see there some of the differences between using a VPN or using LagoFest. We'll just scroll down here a little bit more. We can see that they have servers covering the globe, and we have some positive reviews here. Just doing a little bit of research on LagoFest. It does seem to be that LagoFest has outpaced ExitLag for many people's preferences. Some research shows that LagoFest is considered a better alternative to ExitLag because it offers more features, including driver updates and graphics overclocking. And it does appear that it's even cheaper as well. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the pricing for LagoFest, and then we'll compare that with ExitLag. So here we can see that we have the subscription plan, 12 months for $4.60 a month. I'm looking here for their, okay, so it's going to be $7.90 for their monthly plan. So it works out to $4.60 a month for the 12 months if you pay for a year subscription. So let's go ahead and take a look here at ExitLag and take a look at their pricing as well and compare them. So if we go here to their pricing section on ExitLag, you can see that we have subscription options for solo, duo, or squad. So if you have a squad, or you maybe you do duos in Fortnite, this might be something that you and your friends might want to take advantage of. And yes, we can see here when we compare the two, as far as the monthly subscription goes, it looks like that is $13.37 per month compared to LagoFest, which is $7.90 a month. So right off just the comparison of pricing, you're definitely going to get a better price when it comes to LagoFest. And according to some of the research here that I've done, it offers more features, including driver updates and graphics overclocking. So just based on what the community is saying and just based on the pricing here, it seems as though LagoFest might be the one that comes out on top here. I would say personally that if I was interested in taking advantage of either of these platforms, I think LagoFest at this point seems to be more attractive just on a price point and also based on some of the features that it has available. There might be some information out there that indicates something else, but as far as just the basic comparison between the pricing and some of the features, it does appear that LagoFest comes out on top. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.